What is Scott Hodek saying about Wisconsin's job market layoffs and AI? 2026. What is Scott Hodek saying about Wisconsin's job market layoffs and AI's role? If you live or work in Wisconsin, this could change your career prospects and how companies hire right now. Scott Hodek highlights that Wisconsin's job market is experiencing a complex phase. While some industries are announcing layoffs, particularly in manufacturing and traditional sectors, others like technology and healthcare are hiring aggressively. This shift reflects broader economic realignment, where automation and AI adoption impact workforce demands. Companies in Wisconsin are recalibrating roles, leading to both job losses and openings depending on the sector. According to Scott Hodek, AI is a double-edged sword in Wisconsin's employment landscape. On one hand, AI-driven automation reduces the need for certain labor-intensive roles, causing layoffs especially in repetitive jobs. On the other hand, AI fuels growth in emerging fields such as data analysis, AI system maintenance, and software development. Wisconsin companies are increasingly integrating AI tools for efficiency, which reshapes the types of jobs available. Scott Hodek points out that the impact of layoffs and AI in Wisconsin is uneven. Employees in sectors like manufacturing, retail, and administrative support are more vulnerable to job cuts due to automation. Conversely, workers with skills in technology, AI, and healthcare are in higher demand. This dynamic urges Wisconsin's workforce to adapt by upgrading skills to stay competitive in this shifting market. Looking ahead, Scott Hodek emphasizes that Wisconsin must focus on workforce retraining and education to meet the demands of an AI-influenced economy. Policymakers and businesses are encouraged to invest in programs that help displaced workers transition into new roles. The state's ability to manage this transition will determine its economic resilience and job market health in the coming years. What this means for you is clear. If you live or work in Wisconsin, understanding these job market shifts is crucial. Upskilling in tech or AI-related fields could protect your career. Stay informed, adapt to changes, and subscribe for ongoing updates on how these trends impact your job prospects.